Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Beats Studio Buds not connecting, Bluetooth pairing and repairing troubleshoot. Fix 1. Charge your Beats Studio Buds. Place both earbuds inside the charging case. Connect the case to a power source using the charging cable. Charge for at least 30 minutes. Verify that the charging indicator light turns on. Low battery can prevent the earbuds from entering pairing mode or maintaining a stable Bluetooth connection. Fix 2. Turn Bluetooth off and back on. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet or computer. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Turn Bluetooth back on. Check if Beats Studio Buds appear in the list of available devices. Fix 3. Forget the existing Bluetooth connection. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tab Bluetooth, tap the eye next to Beats Studio Buds, select Forget this device. On Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth or connected devices, select Beats Studio Buds, tap Forget or Unpair. After removing the device, restart your phone before attempting to reconnect. Fix 4. Put the Beats Studio Buds into pairing mode. To connect as a new Bluetooth device, place both earbuds in the charging case. Leave the case lid open. Press and hold the system button on the case. Continue holding until the LED indicator starts flashing. The flashing light indicates that the earbuds are ready to pair. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device. Select Beats Studio Buds from the available devices list. Complete the pairing process. Fix 5. Reset the Beats Studio Buds. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Leave the lid open. Press and hold the system button for approximately 15 seconds. Keep holding until the LED flashes red and white. Release the button, close the lid for a few seconds and reopen it. The earbuds have now been reset and can be paired again as a new device. Fix 6. Restart your phone, tablet or computer. Turn off your device completely. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Enable Bluetooth. Try pairing the Beats Studio Buds again. Fix 7. Check for Bluetooth interference. Keep the earbuds within a few feet of your device. Move away from Wi-Fi routers, wireless speakers, smart TVs and other Bluetooth devices. Disable Bluetooth on nearby devices that may be trying to connect automatically. Fix 8. Update your device software. iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Android, go to Settings, System, Software Update. Windows or Mac, install any available system updates and restart the computer. After updating, try pairing the earbuds again. Fix 9. Contact Beats or Apple support. If your Beats Studio Buds still won't connect after trying all troubleshooting steps, contact Apple or Beats support for additional help. Visit the official Apple support website or open the Apple support app on your device. Select Beats as your product category. Choose Beats Studio Buds from the product list. Select the issue you are experiencing, such as Bluetooth connection or pairing problems. Follow the on-screen options to start a live chat, schedule a call, or book a service appointment. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video and subscribe to our channel.